Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sonu Model Makers, Noida, India. Today I am showing you very interesting and easy to assemble model of a solar boat. Friends, these things are easily available in the market, and we have just assembled this into a as per instructions. Friends, these things are easily available in the market, and there is nothing to worry more about these things. This is just a solar panel. Friends, these things are very easily available in the market, and I just repeat my words. This is solar panel of approximately 1.5 to 3 volts, and this is a 3 volt motor. When I put shadow on this will stop, and when I release the shadow, then it will start working. So friends, if you want to purchase these kind of models, please contact me on 9818479606. Thank you friends, have a nice day. Please subscribe for more updates. Please switch off the motor. Here inside this is on off switch. This switch is if you put this switch to the left, then it is on battery, and if you put in on the solar side, then it will on battery will work on solar.